The shocking truth why you are seeing this number. Today we will be talking about 1111 because I'm receiving really often questions like what is the meaning behind that number? I'm constantly seeing it. It's appearing to me all over the place, and what is the meaning? What the universe is trying to tell me? So let's go deeper into it and let's simplify everything. I will not say that the universe is pushing you into something. I will say to you that as soon as you have become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, you've increased your vibration, the core vibration of yourself. It's a shift in energy. When we increase our energy, we start vibrating on a greater level. Our consciousness is expanding. And every time we create a change like that, the universe will start reflecting the change to us. So we can see that we are changing. We can see the proofs outside of us that we are changing, which is so amazing. Not many people are aware of that. That's why not everyone is asking why I'm seeing all these numbers, because most people are not aware of that. So as soon as we start changing, we will start seeing numbers. But what here represents number 1111? 1111 is a combination of numbers 1, obviously. Number 1 represents something new, a new beginning, a start of something new. And each start is born with intention and purpose. Firstly, we are aware of the intention, why we want to start something. But then we also need a purpose, why we are starting it. And when we combine our intention with our purpose, it means that we've designed a map where we are going. When we create that map, let's say a mind map, in which direction we are going, the universe will start reflecting you. It will start sending you the signs like 1111 that keep up with that. You're doing a great job. You're evolving. You're changing yourself. You're shifting your energy. You're actually moving into a right direction. But then we are asking like when things will change, when my manifestation will happen, right? Firstly, we need to change ourselves. When we start applying changes, it doesn't mean that we have changed. When we start applying changes, we need to consistently apply them. We need to keep doing that. That's why you are seeing number 1111. Keep up with your change. Because we are a product of our behaviors, actions, thoughts, emotions. And every time when we are changing our thoughts, we are changing our emotional state. And when we start acting upon that new state of being, we start creating new patterns, new behaviors. So by constant repetition of these new behaviors, we develop new behaviors, new habits, new patterns. But while that process between start of the change and becoming the change, we will be seeing numbers. So one more time, you're seeing numbers because you are in between that process. If you will quit, you will fall back into your old self. And because universe don't want you to quit, so you can shift yourself, it is sending you signs like 1111 to keep up with your work. Don't quit, don't give up. It's easy to give up. It's easy to quit because we don't trust that things will happen for us. But if you increase your faith, if you can believe so strong into your vision that you will keep up with your work as long as it will happen, as long as your manifestation will happen, you will get there. That's what the universe is messaging you. So number 1 always represents a new beginning, a start of something new. If you have just started working on something new and you're seeing that number, it is your support. You are supported. So don't worry about anything. And I know it's easy to say but hard to do. Don't worry. But keep up your faith. When you will feel stressed or afraid, look for some stories which can support your idea, whatever you're working on to manifest. Read some books about people which have already done it. So it will increase your energy. It will help you to believe even more that it will happen. It is possible. If they can do it, you can do it too. And this is it. So it's a beautiful reminder. Like, we are constantly seeing different combinations of numbers, and each number can bring us something new. Everything is a vibration. So pay attention to all the signs which are all around you, because everything we see is a reflection of our state of being, of our inner states. So everything is coming from within. And when we truly become aware of that, things becomes really easy. So let me know if it was helpful, and write in the comments below what kind of numbers you are constantly seeing. What are your messages and how you are recognizing them, or what you do when you see them. Are you place your hands onto your hearts and show gratitude towards the universe and yourself that you're brave enough to create changes, or you're just ignoring them? Let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next video. With love, blessings, and power.